Cat Mario. Oh, I hate this. No. You can't trust anything. No, yeah, okay. No. I already died like 3 times because I kept trying to get the recording on. Really? Yeah! Oh, how that, whoa. You won't die. What are they gonna try to do? Oh, I thought they were... No, watch that make me too big.
Just kidding.
No, make me too big. See? Do you have like 9 lives? Because you're like a cat. You get a cat with 9 lives. Oh! I'm used to like Minecraft pressing spacebar to jump. Because that's what my channel is mostly for. Oh! Oh, okay. Okay. They want to play like that, okay. I also have this app on my phone. The app on my phone. I have to stop playing Minecraft and get used to this. Okay. Go. No. Does that do what I think it does? It kills me. What do you know? And I didn't get the... Oh, this makes me so mad. Oh, yeah. Okay, alright, I know, okay. They're just. Oh. Yes, checkpoint. No. Alright. Nope, I do not trust that. Great. I'm stuck. They'll trap me. I had to die. They will trap me. I know that trick. No way I'm getting that risk. How does it kill me? I should have like landed on it. Should have took me. Oh, do I have like 2 lives left maybe? Because it's like cat with 9 lives. What the? My life? What the? Yeah! No. No, let's get a center or something! No, balls so much. I hate their balls. I know what those spikes mean though. No! Sweet. Okay, no. No! Come on, no, no.
You didn't win?
Oh my gosh, that's my dumb sister in the background.
What?
That mean you eat your chips something else. Yeah. Really? Why is it doing that? Oh. Okay, I should have just stayed there and let it take me like that. I bet you this video is gonna be like those like 40-minute gameplay. Yeah, after this one, I guess I'll just stop. Oh, sweet. Watch it give me like infinite lives just to taunt me. I bet you they're enjoying this so much right now. They're just laughing. Everyone does. Yeah. Why does it not take me in those cubes? Was that like a lucky glitch or something? Really? That's not, no, that's not even, no! That's not even funny. Why can I have like an extra? Really? Did I just? I was right that one time. They'll just trap me. Laugh at my failure. They don't it makes me so. That's why I was doing that, because I know they would try to like trap me or do something bad. Yeah, I'm gonna keep filming this until I get past the first level. That thing gets me every time. I don't know how people do this. I don't know. I do not know. Aha! Yes. Okay. Boom! No, no, no. Oh, trust me. Yeah, just shut up. Leave. Like, no one likes you. No one does. Yeah, because no one likes you. Could you just go? Yeah, I'm going to end this video.